What's up, good people? I'm going to talk about a very essential medical problem that some people, including myself, go through. I used to go through it, but now I have overcome this. I want to share how did I overcome and what are some of the ways you can overcome this thing called motion sickness. A very important thing in this regard I found out was acupuncture or acupressure. Both ways you can do it, but acupressure is my recommended way. So you can learn more about this from acupuncture people, but a very easy way you can tackle it yourself is learn that point called P6 point. P6 point is right here in between your tendons right here. So you just grab your three fingers of your right hand and then go straight to this point between the tendons right next to the vein and near your wrist margin, and then press it and release it, press it and release it, press it and release it. You have to do it several times, and this has been found out to be very useful for motion sickness, all that nausea and vomiting kind of sensation that can progress into very bad puking and all that scenario. That can be relieved in the very early stages just by doing this maneuver. But another very useful thing I want to share in this context is called travel band or a C band. That is something like $8 to $10, and you can find it easily on Amazon or eBay. That is just the same therapy, and you don't have to do it yourself. You have that wristband that does the whole job on its own for you, or you can just keep pressing that button that it has right there. It has all those directions with it that you can follow and do it very easily. I found out that thing very helpful, and I am surprised, I am astonished about the science, that the way they found out that there are some spots in your body which you press in a certain way lead to certain medical benefits. So why not use that? That is my take on that. Why not? Please give it a try and let me know if that helps. Another very useful thing is called aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is like you inhale certain good fragrances or perfumes that can help you, become kind of emotionally and mentally and osmotically distracted, and that aromatherapy has been found out with research to be a good distraction for your nausea, and that helps a lot. Many people get help from that. Not 100% people get help from that, so just take it with a grain of salt. It might help you, it might not help you. You might need to see your doctor despite of trying that. Amongst those aromatherapy, ginger, lavender and peppermint essential oil. If you smell it like this, put that here and then take a deep breath and release, take a deep breath and release. You have to do that aromatherapy with any three of these, like peppermint essential oil or ginger or lavender. These things have been found out to be very helpful to reduce the nausea in people who get motion sickness. So why not give it a try? Another very useful thing in this regard is a tea. It's chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is very useful, and it has been found out to be beneficial for the people who get nausea with the motion sickness. So if you're having motion sickness, give it a try, or keep that kind of tea with you. Take a sip, take a break from your journey or all that rides that you have been trying, and you should get some benefit from that. If these things are not helping, there are some over-the-counter medications that are called antihistamines. They also help with your motion sickness, but the problem with those pills is they lead to drowsiness, so you should not drive after that. They are like antihistamines, for example Benadryl and many other, but please talk to your doctor about the subject before trying those, and make sure you don't drive after that immediately. You have to wait for a certain time period, like 8 hours or so. So please be careful in that regard. Sometimes we also have to prescribe some medications. For example, people who go for cruises, people going for a cruise trip, they need something like that, because on your cruise trip you're gonna get a lot of motion sickness. So what can you do about it? Do these things like aromatherapy, or this wristband thing, or the acupressure thing. Or if these things do not help you, please ask your doctor before you're traveling and get something like scopolamine patch. So it's a patch that you can put on any part of your body, like here or here, any hidden part you want or any exposed part you want. That scopolamine patch helps a lot with the nausea, and it has been used for maybe hundreds of years. So I'm not sure about the exact timing, but it's been used for many, many, many years. So why not talk to your doctor before you're traveling, because you don't want to ruin your trip that you have spent so much money on, and you want to get some fun out of it. Sometimes we have to prescribe other medications as well for that, but it depends which stage you're at, and then we manage accordingly. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and share to my channel. Have a great day. Live happy, live healthy, and live long. Bye.